Think you might be pregnant? Let's walk through how to use a CVS Health pregnancy test to find out. First, carefully open the CVS Health pregnancy test box and remove the test stick and the instruction booklet. It's super important to read the instructions thoroughly before you start. The instructions will outline exactly how to use your specific test, but generally, you have two options. You can either hold the absorbent tip of the test directly in your urine stream, or you can collect a sample in a clean cup and dip the absorbent tip into the urine. Make sure to hold the tip in the urine for the amount of time specified in the instructions, usually around 5 seconds. Next, place the test stick on a flat surface and wait for the recommended time, which is usually 1 to 3 minutes. Resist the urge to check it every few seconds. Now for the moment of truth. Check the result window. A single line often indicates a negative result, meaning you're likely not pregnant. Two lines, even faint ones, usually indicate a positive result, meaning you are likely pregnant. If you see a positive result, schedule an appointment with your doctor to confirm whether the result is positive or negative. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to your healthcare provider. They can provide personalized guidance and support.